Hello viewers, welcome to our channel Mail Academy. Today we are going to learn how to convert Outlook.com to EML. Search on Google Recovery Tools Outlook.com Backup. Click on Download. Select Outlook.com. Enter Outlook.com credential. Click on Login. Check the folders that you want convert. Click on EML. File naming option. Select destination folder. Trial version converts limited 25 items. Buy license to get the unlimited access. Buy activate the software here. Detailed saving log will give you folder-wise data transfer count. Open destination folder for output. Converted EML files.